Hey, good morning, guys. We saw Greenland Energy surge over 50% pre-market on a Halliburton Arctic drilling deal. The stock was clearly on the backside. It almost retraced the entire move from the morning, but we turned long mode on anyway. The algo takes a few strategic double downs, de-risks, adds back at 742, but as price fails to push higher, the algo tries to de-risk again above break even, which is a testament to active position management in real time. No panic, no manual override, just the algorithm working the position methodically while we wait for the true direction. The de-risk doesn't fill, but our position is small enough for another strategic double down at 674. The stock has now retraced its entire pre-market pump. Price bounces above our cost basis and the algo trims for a small win. Cost basis is now 687 with 2,800 shares, stop loss below 650. As momentum picks back up, we add at 728, bringing us to 7,000 shares, and now the algo is ready to de-risk or take full profit on a retest of 750. Price pushes above 752, and the algo sells all 7,000 shares at 766 for a total profit of over $4,200. 5 minutes of automated day trading on a tough, choppy backside setup. Win or lose, I post every trade. Link below to see how the software works. Subscribe for daily recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.